How you can use the Tameawu leaf to get effective results both in terms of health, wealth and spiritually. How to use the Tameawu leaf to get results? I am going to show you how you can use the Tameawu leaf to get effective results both in terms of health, wealth and spiritually. 1. To use the Tameawu leaf for cooling the heart, chewed leaf or boil it for tea. This is good for all heart-related ailments. 2. To heal your wounds and sores both internal and external. Do this. For internal wounds, chew and swallow the leaf. If the wound is outside the body, pluck a leaf or two and heat it over fire. Use the leaf to cover the sore or boil on your body, then bandage it tight. 3. To treat cough in children, all you need to do is pluck a Tameawu leaf, then squeeze and extract the liquid. Give this liquid to the child to drink and they will be relieved soon. 4. If you want to protect yourself or detoxify, you can chew a leaf or two a day for detoxification and protection. 5. You can use it to prepare palm nut soup. Add some leaves to the boiling palm nuts and pound it together. 6. Its use as vegetables. You can cut it into pieces and mix with your salad or your vegetable stew. 7. If you want to use it for spiritual protect, you can add it to your bathing water, especially if you are one of those people who take their bath late at night. 8. To draw your lover close to you, subscribe to the channel to be notified when full video on that is uploaded. 9. To solve low sperm count issues, get Tameawu plant and eat 3 leaves whenever you wake up. If you do this up to 1 or more weeks, your sperm count will increase.